Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the emergency fund, or also known as cash advance, with no credit check, no hard inquiry, and not even a soft pull. Means they don't need your credit at all. Yes, you have heard it right. But before moving forward with this video and telling you step by step how you can get it, I would like to request you to please click on the like button so this video will reach to the wider audience, and it will also help them getting the emergency funds or cash advance. And please remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will help you to get $6,000 of credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So the financial service and institution I'm going to review right in front of you is known as Brigit. It is a combination of your finances and your budget, so that's why they call it Brigit. So what they exactly do, they give you cash advances or emergency fund if you need it. So remember, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can get it. So Brigit is exactly an app. You can download it. It's available actually on Android and as well as on Apple Store. So you can download it and register with themselves, but there are some steps and requirements in order to get this emergency fund or cash advances. Yes, so the first thing you need to do, I'm just gonna click and navigate on their website so you will get to know that what they're all about and what they do. So what they exactly do right here, so their aim is to give you the emergency funds or cash advances if you need it the most. So they have three major requirements. So their first requirement is that you have to have a bank account for at least 2 months. Yes, you have to have a primary checking account for at least 2 months, and I'm talking about the traditional bank account in any bank. So if you have it for previous 2 months, that's the first requirement that they have. The second one is also that what you need to do, you need to have at least $1,000 of transaction in your account in previous 1 month. Yes, every month you have to have a transaction of $1,000 in your account, and it doesn't matter you're debiting the amount or you're crediting the amount, you have to have a total transaction of at least $1,000 in your account. So that's their second requirement. Their third requirement is also pretty simple and straightforward. So what they exactly do and what you can use these funds for, you can use these funds to actually cover your overdraft fee or your overdraft bank account. And the other thing, you can use it if you're in really need, you're stuck somewhere, you need the money right away, and they can give you the money right in seconds. All you need to do, we just need to say, hey, I need money, and they'll give it to you, and it will be in your checking account in seconds. So the third one is that your account can be overdraft but not below minus $50. Yes, the maximum overdraft you can have in your account is negative 50. If you go below the negative 50, they will not give you the personal emergency loan, or you can say the cash advance. And the maximum they give you is exactly $250, as you can see right here. So you can get up to $250. It's really small, I know that, but anything is a blessing if you're in a dire need of it. So remember, always use this option. I always recommend everyone to actually have other options in your pocket. If you need the amount, you can use it. But there are two memberships that they have. The first one is exactly free, that where you can get the alerts and financial insights of your bank account. They're not going to give you anything, of course, for this. And the other one is $999, and then with this one you can get up to $500 cash advance. It's totally up to you if you're going to use it for $999. So remember, it's just like almost $120, and if you're going to withdraw $250, then of course you'll be only leaving with $130 if I'm not wrong. So just be patient, and remember, if you need it, then use it. If you don't, then believe me, you don't have to use it. But remember, it's a blessing. So if you are in that situation, or if you feel like you're in that situation where that $130 is actually a blessing for you, you can get it. And of course, you can always use this service anytime you like. So this is the review that I wanted to tell you. But remember, right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $6,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. This is Sam from Credit Viral. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.